Hey, how would you like to get paid just for writing reviews? Find out how next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can start getting paid today writing short reviews. You're going to be doing this from a site called SliceThePie. This website has been around for years. I've done several review videos on it, and actually when I first discovered this site, it was all about writing music reviews. So you would create an account, log in, and you would pick all of your music genres that you like, and then you would just log in and they would just play you songs, and you would just write short reviews on it. You would earn anywhere from 5 cents to 10 cents per review, but the money does add up over time, and then you can cash out and get it out your PayPal and do what you want to do. So I haven't used SliceThePie in a while, but last time I looked at SliceThePie, I noticed that they start adding different categories to the website, where before you could actually get paid for writing reviews based off of fashion. Like they'll show you like a piece of clothing and you have to write a review on it. It might be a shirt, it might be a pair of shoes, it might be jewelry, whatever. So like, I wonder what's going on with SliceThePie. So I just logged in a few minutes ago, and maybe I'm off. They seem like they don't really have this music anymore, like to listen to music, but they added more things. Now you can get paid for taking surveys, right? And you can get paid for writing what they call it branding, audio branding. So I just actually did this just to see how it worked, but you only have to listen to like 3-second clips. Now the ones I did were like 3 seconds, and one was actually 2-second clip, right? And I actually had to you have to write a couple sentences about what you heard, what you thought about it, and then they asked you like 8 to 10 different ratings that all you have to do is just click 1 through 10. 1 being the wackest, or 0 being the wackest, and 10 being really good. You just go down there and just give your honest opinion on it. Now guys, this is super easy and very, very quick to do. And the cool thing, which I thought was, before when I used to have to write the music reviews, you would get like 5 to 10 cents per review. I just did 2 of these just to see what it was like with these audio clips, and it was a quick 14 cents per review that took me a minute or 2 to actually create. So if I would have kept going, this is a very easy way to earn some extra cash. Once again, this is one of them things where if you're bored, you're in high school, you're in college, or just want to earn some extra cash, this is something to do. Very, very quick, very, very easy. I will say, like when I talked about in my other videos, when it comes to SliceThePie, what you want to do is just write very descriptive, use adjectives. Use a lot of adjectives and verbs in your reviews, and you should be good to go. You cannot get on here and just copy and paste the same review for everything. Like you can't just like write 4 sentences and just put them into every review just to earn quick money. SliceThePie, they catch that, they track that somehow. So just be a little creative with your reviews, and you can do this for a while. I do like the fact that now they have different categories, because I found that a few years ago when it was just music, I found it easy to get burned out doing this. Like if you do this for an hour, I realize I'm like, yo, I can't write one more review. But now that they got it where they expanded the site out more, now, spend 20 minutes on audio branding clips, spend another, 20 minutes on taking surveys, then take another 20 minutes doing fashion reviews. All right. They even have another category that you can click on, and it's strictly called Lucky Dip or something like that. So you click on it, and it's just a random thing that they're going to ask your opinion on. So SliceThePie to me is stepping up. Seems like they don't really have a lot of like music songs, but they made their website more variety. So it gives you a better chance to make more money and quicker and more creative. So check that out, guys. If you want to check out Slice the Pie, I put a link below, and you can get started with this today. Right. Once again, extra money, guys. Extra money. If you want to make more money, be sure to check out Genesity, link in the description. Also, YouTube courses, everything you need is in the description, guys. But there's so many different ways to make money online. So many different ways. So hopefully you subscribe to this channel. Alright, guys, comment below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm always bringing that good content. Until the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.